Welcome back to our channel Weekend Vibes with us, and today we are going to do a balcony makeover. Actually, we've been planning to do it for I think over a long period of time. We've been only thinking about it and not doing it. So today we are going to do that, and we've been working on it since weeks. I'll show you what we have worked upon, and it is going to be coming after this introduction. आज का agenda है DIYs from the product we've got from Ikea. So this is part of product, and we'll tell you towards the evening what are we constructing today. Stay tuned. So Utkarsh is installing the screw. I hope he doesn't screw up with the screws. And can you show us the Bosch kit that you're using? So we've got this from our friend Bipul, who likes to do all such DIYs a lot. So we've got this handyman kit from him, and we are utilizing the same.
और बताइए कैसी चल रही है पेंटिंग?
बढ़िया, अच्छी चल रही है।
ऐसे और किसी घर से कांटेक्ट मिलेगा तो तुम करने जाओगी? बताइए कि ये आर्टिस्टिक पेंटिंग कर रही हो।
शौकिया है ये, शौकिया।
यार ऐसा लगता है कि तुम एकदम बॉर्न पेंटर हो। बताइए लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट्स कि आप वीकेंड पे घूमने के अलावा क्या करते हैं?
There are a lot of things to do on the weekends, like doing makeovers of your home, which certain people don't like and they are forced to do that.
गजब बेइज्जती है।
हाँ ठीक है, ओके।
उसको शुक्ला कैसा लग रहा है तुमको इस प्रोजेक्ट पे काम करके?
सूदिंग।
Soothing. And there is Nathan enjoying the weather. I don't know, everybody is wearing lavender today. We are painting lavender. My hands are blush pink. No, my nails are blush pink. This is lavender. I don't know how is it coming. My bed sheet is blush pink. कितना मैच कर रहा है आज पूरा, देखो Nathan. And while we are painting here, मौसम का हाल कुछ इस प्रकार है। And somebody is enjoying the weather.
With my chai, adrak wali chai.
Adrak wali chai. So as of now, this is the situation of the balcony. I have hoarded a lot of plants. So we have to do a balcony makeover. The bed has to go out. We'll replace it with chairs. And a rack has to come here so that all the plants can be arranged vertically. Let's see what more can be done with this. तो आज पूरा प्रोजेक्ट वर्क चल रहा है. तो ये मधुमालती इज अ क्रीपर, उसको चढ़ाने के लिए यहाँ पे हम नेट लगाएंगे. एंड दिस इज द मेस. आई एम repotting certain plants. A huge net which we are going to cut. Utkarsh is doing the marking and then we are going to cut it. तो नेट लग गई है ऑल अलोंग दिस वॉल. तो बैल्कनी अभी साफ हो गई है, धुल गई है, कमर टूट गई है. अब विल स्टार्ट अरेंजिंग.
So as a part of this project, we are trying to use vertical space in our balcony. See, as you can see, the space that is horizontal on the ground space is all occupied and it's cluttered around.
It is not cluttered.
Yeah, if you'd like to say that, but yeah, so now we are trying to make it look more systematic, more elegant and beautiful. So let's see. So we have got this shelf. It's a 4-column shelf, almost 5 feet height.
You got it from Ikea.
It was of grey color, basically raw, that is tin shade color, and we have painted it in this color.
It is lavender.
Okay, so yeah, bad with colors, some bad with colors. The renovation work has started already, and cleaning of the pots is going on, and one by one we're gonna arrange.
Big tip. What
Yes.
do keep trays beneath the pots, otherwise because that's made up of a metal, so it can rust. So do keep plates beneath the plants, beneath the pots. This is periwinkle baby pink color. I love the color. So I'm going to arrange all my flowers, flowering plants or whichever require less of the sunlight on this rack. Although flowers require more sunlight, but it's fine. I can rearrange them. I can put them in sunlight once in a week. And here on this rack, I'm going to arrange all the flowers that I have, or all the succulents. And here, this part of the balcony, which gets the direct sunlight, there'll be, because I've planted some
Direct sunlight
vegetables.
and pollinators as well.
Direct sunlight and pollinators. So here I've arranged all the vegetables. So we have tomatoes, brinjal, beans, then spinach, and We have one more. We have
Chili.
no, not chili. We have green capsicum. Green capsicum. Okay, let's get started. This is required. So I'm just cleaning the soil that is on the pot for the aesthetics. So you can you can place water on the plate and then it goes up. The soil absorbs the water from bottom as well.
What is this plant?
This is Sadaba. No, this is not Sadaba. This is Nukchi, office time. See, this one is office time, Nukchi. So ये बहुत easily हो जाता है कहीं भी. You can take a stem out of it and you can put it in soil and it grows wildly. Next. So this is my peace lily. It has stopped flowering. So it has stopped flowering because it was in very low light. So I'm putting it for a few days outside so that it blooms. So if you want your plant to flower, it should be exposed to sunlight. How does it look?
It looks good.
So this is the broken heart that I've propagated from a main plant. I'll show you the main plant which we got. I propagated it in water and then I moved it to soil. It's doing pretty well. Do you want a cup of tea?
Yes, I need a cup of tea.
Okay, let's have it here.
And the tea table is all done.
As we've arranged rack number 1 and now we are going to rack number 2. Rack number 2 is here. Let's do it. Okay, so Syngonium is going on the top. Syngonium also needs low light so you can keep it indoors. It comes in many colors.
Chalo.
It comes in many colors. I have the green one. You can also spot the pink one if you go to the market. That is also Syngonium. Then I have a lot of snake plants. This also requires low light. It can survive in low light. No water. Okay. 1, 2, 3, all snake plants. Okay. Let's get some lanterns. Then we have a succulent. Elephant with carrying a succulent. We have 2 succulents here. Not succulent, 2 snake plants. See, this is one variety and this is the other variety. So you can propagate it from a leaf as well. I have just taken 2 leaves and I've put it in these 2 planters. Let's see how they grow. We can make a propagation station also here, right? Water propagation station. So I've taken the clippings from this massive
Mother plant.
This is the mother plant of all these baby plants. I've taken cuttings from this plant and propagating it in water. Let's see how they go.
One of the plant you can see right here, and there are a lot of roots which have developed eventually.
Okay, I'm showing this one. This was also okay. I have to fill water in it. Lamp was gifted to me by my friend Shushri. Happiness is